I'm Fairfield in Wendell Falls. Come on in. So this gorgeous home is right over 2,650 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, a rec room, as you see, a formal dining room that easily could be converted to an office or a wonderful playroom or extra sitting area. This home has one of our largest living spaces. As you can see, plenty of room here with a gorgeous kitchen. The built-ins definitely are a nice touch. And here you have a little bit more private dining area that has a beautiful view. What do you think of those built-ins? If you've seen any of my videos, you know I love a porch. So it's wonderful hearing the birds chirping. But again, a really great view. A relatively flat lot. And then behind you is common space. The nice thing is it's maintained by HOA, so you can enjoy this space but not have to maintain it. Back in. So this home has a guest room downstairs that also would be a great office, but I'll show you. By the way, I forgot to point out the butler's pantry, which I always love. And again, this brick pattern is throughout the whole kitchen. It's beautiful. Oh, and quartz countertops, always a nice touch. So while we're here, I might as well show you this great space. It's a walk-in pantry with plenty of space. And then here's the guest room or office or whatever you would need for the main floor. It is nice that you have a private bathroom right there too, and it's right off the garage entry. But again, really nice closet, amazing view. Nice full bath there too. Wanna go upstairs? So upstairs we have another 3 bedrooms and the rec room. So we can start over here with another large bedroom. Again, beautiful walk-in closet there. Plenty of space for clothes, whatever else you may have. Great rec room. Or another bedroom, media room, whatever works for you. And storage. Plenty of storage here. Beautiful built-ins. Let's go this way. So the nice thing about this home too is all the main bedrooms are on this floor and your laundry is on this floor too. Makes it easy. And then here's an additional bedroom, again with a really nice walk-in closet. And that does kick to the right there too. All right, now let's go see the master. Saving the best for last. So look at this beauty. Tons of great light, but more importantly, tons of great views. The tray ceiling is definitely a nice touch, but come look at this bathroom. Be for you, for anyone in your family, for 4-legged loves, for a whole bunch of dirty laundry, gorgeous soaking tub. And then we still have a really nice size walk-in shower too, again with the bench and double vanities. So one of the things this home has as well as a lot of our homes do, is a really great pull-down attic with tons of storage. You can stand up, you can move around. There's probably about a 14 by 20 space up there that you could put boxes, kind of furniture, whatever it is you need. Again, this home has a ton of closets, another space with a whole bunch of storage. But let me know what you think. Come by and see us in Wendell Falls. Have a good one.